Are you tired of regular camping trips where you're stuck in a flimsy tent and forced to share a bathroom with the entire campground? Then it's time to level up your outdoor game with the travel trailers and off-roading caravans. These rugged beauties can handle anything Mother Nature throws their way, and they are come equipped with all the comforts of home. So lean back as we are going to show you the 7 travel trailers and off-roading caravans for extreme camping trips. Let's start with the Bruder EXP-6, the ultimate off-road camper trailer designed to take you anywhere your sense of adventure leads. Made from super strong and lightweight composite materials, the EXP-6's body is tough enough to withstand the toughest terrain, yet light enough to tow with ease. It has a revolutionary chassis and suspension system, meaning you'll have unmatched performance and stability no matter where your adventures take you. Talking about the interior, just step inside and you'll be transported to a world of luxury and comfort. The interior has greater storage capability along with an entirely new electrical system. And with its efficient two-way kitchen, you can whip up a meal no matter what the weather's like outside. You'll also get an internal toilet, washing machine, and diesel heating facilities that'll give you a home-like feel anywhere. Introducing the titanium Hardcore ATX, a perfect caravan for true off-road adventures. With its thoughtful design and superb build quality, the ultimate off-road companion is made to tackle the toughest terrain. It has all the components you need to explore the great outdoors with peace of mind. Thanks to its 6-inch A-frame with strengthener T-piece bars, 4x4 limited chassis, and the ATX Level 3 wireless airbag suspension with D-Max disc brakes, you'll be able to conquer any obstacle with ease. And if we talk about its power management, ATX is equipped with 800 watts of solar, making it the ultimate off-grid machine. But that's not all. The ATX's interior is just as impressive. Enjoy smart storage designs, premium cafe lounges, and king-size mattresses for maximum comfort. And when it's time to cook up a storm, the slide-out kitchen with Weber barbecue is sure to impress. The Kimberley Kruiser E-Class is a luxury caravan for those who demand the best in terms of luxury. It is constructed using high-grade alloy, high molecular weight thermoplastic, marine-grade stainless steel, and hot-dipped galvanized steel to ensure maximum strength-to-weight ratio and weather resistance. The caravan features a unique interlocking tabs joinery system designed using computer-aided design technology, which provides additional strength while reducing weight. It also comes with large surround windows, midge-proof screens, and reflecting blinds to offer an excellent view and protection from insects. Inside the caravan, you'll find a fully molded ensuite with dual overhead fans, a toilet, a vanity, and a shower with stylish curved glass. The electric island queen bed retracts to a couch by day and extends to a bed by night, while the waterless toilet is hassle-free to use. It also features super quiet fan technology which creates natural airflow for cool evenings, and multiple rooftop fans that exhaust air. In summary, the Kimberley Kruiser E-Class offers strength, durability, and comfort, making it an ideal choice for multi-day off-road adventures. Taxa Mantis 4.1, a perfectly balanced one with just the perfect amount of everything. With its rugged yet lightweight construction, this 19-foot-long habitat is easy to tow and store in most 7-foot garages. It comfortably sleeps 4 adults and comes equipped with all the livable accessories you need for a comfortable and unforgettable adventure. The trailer has a wet bath with a shower and a cassette toilet, so you can freshen up after a day of outdoor activities. Plus, it has a furnace and hot water system to keep you warm and cozy, and a galley kitchen with a 2-burner stove and sink for preparing meals. The queen-size bed and with underbed storage provides ample space for sound sleep. And when you convert it to a dinette or drop the bunk system in a couch, there's room for the whole family to relax and unwind. Most importantly, the Mantis is designed to transform and adapt to your needs on the road. Looking for a top-of-the-line off-road travel trailer that's as comfortable as it is rugged? Then feast your eyes on the BRS Offroad Pursuit. From the moment you step inside, you'll feel right at home in this luxurious trailer. The kitchen boasts all the features of a modern home, including a 4-burner cooktop and grill combo, 2 30-liter fridge drawers, and a stylish bench top. Plus, there are ample storage and power outlets throughout, so you'll never have to sacrifice convenience for adventure. But the Pursuit isn't just about luxury. It's also built to handle the toughest terrain. Outside, you'll find a slide-out outdoor kitchen complete with a timber prep bench, cutlery, and storage drawers, and a gas sizzler barbecue. But that's not all. It also equips a 300-watt solar panel system that lets you stay off-grid for days at a time. And the best part of the Caravan is the plush queen mattress with a huge stargazing window above. It means you'll always have a front row seat to the beauty of the great outdoors. The Zone RV Peregrine is a true gem in the world of off-road caravanning. It boasts a chassis made from strong materials, hot-dipped galvanization, and underslung mud flaps for added protection on rough terrain. One of the standout features is the BM Pro sway control and electric stability control system that ensures safe and smooth towing no matter how bumpy the roads are. Inside, the Peregrine offers a comfortable sleeping experience with a gas strut-assisted lift-up bed storage area, twin bedside robes with hanging rails, overhead storage lockers, padded upholstered bedhead, and footlockers. The kitchen is fully equipped with a synthetic stone benchtop, an awning side serving window, and a large undermounted sink. And the cabinetry is made from Zone RV's unique composite material. Meanwhile, the ensuite is equally impressive with a Nature's Head composting toilet, vanity basin with mixer tap, and internal shower cubicle. Let's wrap up today's list with the mini off-road travel trailer, the Swag Apache Sidefold Camper. It's a lightweight and easy to set up camping solution that will make weekend getaways and long road trips cozier and fun. With its spacious interior featuring a queen-size bed and dinette, you'll have all the comforts of home while you're out exploring. Built tough with a corrosion-resistant aluminum body and durable construction, this one's a perfect companion for those off-the-beaten-path adventures. Apache is complete with a 2-burner gas stove, sink, fridge, and more storage. And with its large windows, you'll never miss out on the breathtaking views of your destination. And for off-grid living, it boasts a whopping 300 watts of solar power. So that was our second video on 7 travel trailers and off-roading caravans for extreme camping. Let us know your favorite pick in the comment section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit that bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.